Glacier National Park in 2.5 weeks, and what do I need to do to get this travel trailer ready for a 1,500-mile drive? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is grease the wheel bearings. They should be done every 10,000 miles. This we purchased last year. It's a 2019. Don't know if it's ever been done before, so I'm going to make sure that's done because I don't want to have that be an issue on a 3,000-mile round trip. Never done it before, so this is a learning curve for me. So bring you along and watch me probably make a huge mess. All right, so got the camper jacked up. Not sure if that's the OSHA approved method, but the jack is rated for plenty of weight, and we just wanted to raise it high enough to get the tire spinning. All right, so first things first, we remove this cap. And inside, you can see that rubber cap in there, which should pull right out. I can see that grease. That is really dark, and it should be bright red if it's fresh. Got the grease gun here, and it should snap right on there. And we're just gonna pump this until the old grease is out. And we just want to get it real clean inside there. All right, cap's back on, and that wheel bearing is greased. Pretty easy overall once you kind of get figured out what you're doing, which it took me a minute. I'd never used a grease gun even, so I had to watch a video on how to use the grease gun, what to do as far as greasing the wheel bearings. So that is just one down, and there is 3 to go. That will do it for now. I'm going to go through and do the rest of these. All right, wheel bearings are greased. I will say the first one was a bit of a disaster, just not knowing what I was doing. It made a huge mess. But by the second, third, and fourth one, it goes pretty smoothly and is, pretty simple step, and definitely something that you want to make sure you get done every 10,000 miles or once a year, especially if you're traveling long distance, to avoid being on the side of the road, because everything that I have, read up on or researched, the main reason you see, travel trailers stranded on the side of the road, or trailers in general, it's a wheel bearing issue. So I feel a lot better about it now. I did want to show you our cordless air compressor that we got last year. This thing is pretty handy. Obviously cordless, holds charge for a really long time. Set your PSI. on the thing, and it stops when it gets to the correct PSI. So 65 is what these tires are rated at. So I'm just going to go through and check them. That one's at 63.5. So we'll give it a little air. And it stops when it's done. 65 there. 65 there. It won't even let you push the button. $65 there. And 65 there. So, anyways, highly recommend this unit if you don't have a air compressor on your camper or in your truck. I would highly recommend investing in this thing. It wasn't too expensive, and it's mobile, portable, wireless, holds a charge for a long time, and works great.